So now let's focus on the fashion industry. Let's not say a big brand like what's a bigger brand like Gucci or what's another brand? I'm having a brain for Pia. What's another large brand?
No, Ferragamo. We wouldn't go
Yeah,
all like that.
something
You
like
could have
that.
said Nike or Reebok.
Yeah. This is my mom. You know it's on my mama anyway. But yeah, so we're not going to talk about those industries right now. We're going to talk about a smaller T-shirt shop or a T-shirt printing business, right? So a small fashion brand launches a new T-shirt design, but some customers complain about the fit and fabric. So now you're like, oh, I launched this and they don't like my product. So what do? Instead of waiting for a seasonal release, they quickly adjust, or should we say become agile. We're going to put a rainbow over become agile. But so we're going to become agile with doing this. Collect customer feedback via social media and email, modify the t-shirt based on feedback, release an improved version in the next batch. That next batch should be next week.
That's right.
Instead of waiting a long duration and saying, I'm going to release this and not having that customer feedback and wasting money, you can go ahead and release it next week. And they say, oh, you fix it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wasting resources, and now you're pivoting and you're adjusting accordingly based on what you've learned from your client base.
So the result of doing that is happier customers, higher repeat sales because business listens and adapts. So if you are a business and you're not listening to your customers, you will fail because they're just going to leave. They can tell that you don't care about them.
Yeah. Or if you're taking too long to listen to your customers, because most people don't have patience. And I can tell you right now, oftentimes there's someone else for them to go to. So you want to make sure, I know we're mentioning pivot and adjust, but you want to do it quickly as possible, right? As quickly as possible. So, because people aren't going to wait. So the faster you can do it to respond back to your customers' needs, the better off and the more successful the outcome would be.
Exactly. Now let's get into one of the top, let's say, jobs I've been seeing. Real estate. People want to get into real estate. Either they want to work as a real estate agent or